Hi everybody, it's your girl Yvonne coming at you with a plan with me for the week of October 26th to November the 1st. This year is going by so fast, you guys. Oh my God. This week I'm going to be planning in my Michael's Recollections Hourly planner, and I'll be using the breast cancer awareness kit from the Goosby twins. Their kits are so nice. They're 4-page kits that have washi strips, full boxes, and checklists. So I'll be using their kits this week. And I don't have a lot of stuff going on this week. I know I'm gonna go vote. Just a little stuff. I have my little cheat sheet with what I'm gonna be doing, which isn't much. I hope you guys are gonna go vote regardless of who you decide to vote for. I really hope that everybody has a plan to go vote. It's very important. Just with everything that's going on, it's just really, really important that you go out and use your voice. That's why we have that freedom to do that. This is actually a little long. I thought it would be like either too short or just right, but it's actually a little longer. Okay. So put down in the comments if you guys are going to vote this, if you guys have voted yet, or if you plan on voting. I don't need to know who you're voting for, but if you do plan on voting, or if you voted already, hopefully it don't be alone. I live in Miami, so it's a lot of people that live here. Like, this city is so crowded. It's like, I think it's gonna be a long line no matter where I go, when I go. So I know I'm gonna have a wait time on my hands, but I'm prepared. I am prepared. I think over here I'm going to put, she has these little like mini kind of checklists. So over here I think I'm going to just do like little rows of dinners, what I'm going to eat for the week. First, I'll do what I'm going to eat for the week. The next one, I'll do what I'm going to clean, maybe, I guess. Just a different checklist. I don't know. My meds. Keeping track of my meds for the week. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Stew. I think that's it for that side. Going to need definitely gonna need my whiteouts. Let's see. Let me lay down. My payday. I get paid on Friday. So put that there. That's important, right? That I get paid on Friday. Ha ha ha. So let's see. I love her. So we're going to lay her down. This full baby here. I'm going to put her over here. We get her lined up right. Ah, she is so beautiful. Oh yes, go girl. Let's see. We have Faith over here. So this one will go over here. So we'll start here. I can never lay stickers down straight. I'm horrible. I wonder how easy this will come up. I hope it don't tear the page. I can't lay stickers down straight to save my life. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Even with lines. That's the sad part. Even with lines. Then I'll do girl. I think I'll put, okay, we got Brave and Strong here, so I don't want to put that on the same page. So we'll put the ribbon here. Like that. Then we'll put the Brave and Strong here. Do I want to put words on top of words? I don't think so. So I think I'll put, I like this one with the two girls. I think we'll put the one with the two girls here. And then we'll go back up with the Brave and Strong. And then we'll do the I am. We still have these two stickers. I'm not sure where I would put them yet. Not sure yet, so we'll see. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. We'll see if we're going to use them. We may not, I don't know. We will see, we will see. So what do we have next going on? So I have my payday down. So on Monday, what do we have going on Monday? On Monday, I have a meeting for work and I have a Zoom meeting. So we'll put, I have a meeting on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'll use this for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I have a meeting Tuesday. I'll mark them off as I'm doing them. Oh, I also have a Zoom meeting on Monday. So I'm going to put a small box for that so I could put the actual information in there. Of what exactly the Zoom meeting is. Tuesday it's going to be do I have anything? Oh, clean. Going to clean up on Tuesday. That's it. So Tuesday is cleanup day. So I'll use for that I will use just a regular sticker. And I'll write what I'm going to clean because I'm going to write a list over here. So that's Tuesday and Thursday. I'm going to do that. So Wednesday, I have a TV show on Wednesday that I'm going to watch. So my TV shows is going to get a solid sticker. And my TV shows is Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. And then on Thursday, the only thing I have is, okay, so Thursday I'm going to do my budget. So what am I going to use for things that I'm going to film? I guess I'll use my checklist so I could write exactly what I'm going to plan. So that would be Thursday and Saturday. Thursday, Saturday, and Sundays are my plan with me's. So Thursday is a plan with me. Saturday, because it is the end of the month, is a plan with me. There's actually two plan with me on Saturday and Sunday is a plan with me. Sunday as well is 2 plan with me. So you guys are going to be getting treats next week. Y'all going to be getting a lot of videos out of me next week. So Thursday will be my budget for next week. Saturday will be my budget for next month plus my end of the month, because I'm starting back to do my budget, y'all. Sunday would be my plan with me for next week and my plan with me for next month. Okay, and we also have one of my favorite shops will be having a release on Friday. So I will be putting that on as well. That will be on Friday. No, I'm not going to use this for that. I will be using this. And that is, oh no, because I have laundry on Saturday and I have to pick up my son. So I have something important to do on Saturday, which is pick up my son. To do in today. Oh, that is so crooked. I'm telling y'all, I can't do nothing. I cannot lay down a sticker straight to save my life. There we go. Okay, you guys, so I still have these stickers left out of the kit, which I'm going to put away for another day. I may use them in, I don't know, another planner. I may put them up for just another day in general. I may, as the week go by, decide to use them as things come up. Who knows? But this is my layout so far for the week. I will fill it in later. This is before the pen. Thank you so much again. This is from the Goosby twins. I will be linking their website below for you guys to go ahead and support these young ladies. And thank you so much again. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so you guys will be able to know when I'm putting up another video. Thank you so much, and you guys have a good day.